Will cross pass. Reverente open look. He attacks. He lays. Yes, sir. Baseball pass. Mactalio against Reverente. Will drive. Will lays. Fabro against Mactalio. Crosses over. Falling away. Bullseye. Dinari. Bounce pass to Ferrer. Ferrer lays. Basket and one. Welcome to Abra semifinals, do or die between Bangue. Meneses goes in, kicks it out. Reverente fakes to Meneses, launches on free throw area. Pass to Migliare, number 8, holding the ball. He dribbled the ball. He goes to the wings. The bounce pass to Mactalio. Pass to the middle. Pull up jumper by Sanchez. Won't go. Rebound. Corpus ties the game. Here's Reverente. Crosses the mid lane. Slowly dribbling the ball. Sisinyas dito. Goes to the wings. Goes inside. Kicks it out. Gulayan attacking the defense. To the middle. Meneses. Bounce pass to Fabro. Goes to the baseline. Falling away. Bullseye. To Corpus. Corpus at the top. Passes to Mactalio. Launches on deep. In and out. Rebound by Meneses. Now inherit to Fabro. Bump. Lays. And offensive calls from Migliare. Migliare packs to Mactalio against Gulayan. Mactalio high pass to the middle. Migliare lost the handle. Recover. Pass to Migliare. He fakes. He fires. Open look. Won't go. Reverente crosses the mid lane. Now inherit. He bump. Lost the handle. This is inbounding to Fabro. Fabro against Mactalio. Crosses over. Falling away. Bullseye. Fabro. And here's Mactalio against Fabro. Cross pass. Kicks out. Migliare to Migliare. Fires Migliare. Bang! Meneses at the top. At the 3-point area. Bello. Traveling. Migliare. High pass to Mactalio. Mactalio will attack. Will goes inside. Open scoop layup, won't go. The tip in by Meneses. Now he stops. High pass to Gulayan. Will attack, will bump, stop, pull up J. Bullseye. Migliare to Migliare. High pass to Mactalio. Wild open. Open look for three. Bang! Done. Bounce Sanchez, pass break. Mactalio against Fabro. Pinoy step, lays. Yes, sir! Crosses the mid lane. He's at the logo. Passes to Meneses. High pass to Fabro. Posting up against Migliare. Stepping back. Pull up J3. Bang! Back. Pass to Mactalio against Gulayan. Bounce pass to Corpus. Guarded with Meneses. Posting up. Goes to the baseline. Cross pass. Stolen. Reverente crossover. Reverente now in hurry. Pass inside. Recover by Gulayan. Bounce pass. Floater shot. Bello. Yes, sir. Bello. Migliare. High pass to Mactalio. Natapikan. Stolen. Fabro. Open look for three. Bang! Number 8. And goes to the wings area. He stopped. Pass to Sanchez. Pull up J at the free throw area. Won't go. And here's Reverente. Crossover. Kicks out to Gulayan to Fabro. Di Discarte. Pass to Meneses looking for the opponent. And high pass to Fabro. Against between the legs. Stepping back again for three. Bang! Ulan ng tres. And is Mactalio fires at three. Bang! Meneses at the top. Cross pass to Reverente for three. Bam! Against Fabro. Bam. Spins. Yapegan. Stolen. Fabro. Easy to. Mactalio. He pass. Inside pass. Libre si Sanchez. Easy to. Migliare. Pass to Migliare. Migliare will attack to the middle. Bounce pass to Migliare. Corner pass. Corpus side step. Fires off the window. Yes, sir. Corpus. And here's pass. Bello. Yes, sir. Bello. Asawa ko kasawa. And the pass. And here's Fabro. Pabro goes to the middle. Between the legs. Fires a 3. Very good. Rebound. Reverente. Pastor Pabro will attack. Will fires. Basket. Pabro. And here's Reverente for 3. Bang! 3 points. Giev. Pass to Milyare. Milyare with the ball. Pass to Mactalio against Pabro. And here's 2-on-1. Pass to Milyare. Bounce pass to the corner. Corpus against Reverente. Guarded with 2. Pull-up jumper. Bucket! That's... And pass to the middle. Fires at 3. Reverente no good. Corpus. Baseball pass. Mactalio against Reverente. Will drive. Will lace. Bucket! And here's Reverente. Pass to Giev. Crossover move against Mactalio. Pull up J. One go. And Giev kicks out. Pabro against Milyare. Goes to the wing arms. Passes to Reverente. Will attack. Will drive. Will stop. Pass. Open. And here you go, Corpus. Posing against Meneses to the middle. Ferrer. Bucket for 2. Passes to Gulayan. Pull up jumper at the baseline. Bullseye. Milyare against Giev. Pass to Mactalio. Mactalio against Giev. And Mactalio goes inside. Natapikan ni Pabro. Pass break to Giev. Giev all alone to the hoops. Easy to receiver. And will pass to Mactalio. Bounce pass to Corpus. Pinabitin pa. Bucket for hook pass to Reverente. Reverente goes to the middle. Pass to Pablo. Field open for 3. Bang! 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 Inbounding. High pass to Milyare for 3. Bang! Nothing says. Cross the mid lane. He's at the top. Guarded by Mactalio. Pass to Pablo. Pablo against Milyare. Will cross pass. Reverente open look. He attacks. He lays. Yes, sir! Asking for Mactalio. Mactalio receives the ball against Gulayan. And here's Mactalio. Mactalio di Discarte. Goes to the middle. Kicks out Milyare. Bounce pass to Milyare. Is stolen by Pabro. Pabro goes to the traffic. Goes inside. Pass inside. Reverente makes clutch fire. Off the window. Bucket. Here's Meneses. Now in a hurry. Will attack the 3 defender. Pass to the floater. Yes, sir! Pass to Corpus. Corpus looking for the receiver. He dribbled the ball against Gulayan. Pass to Milyare. Milyare. Pass to Mactalio. Mactalio guarded by Reverente. Mactalio against Reverente. Will attack. Pinasal out. Reverente. He dribbled the ball. Guarded by Milyare. And here's Gulayan. High pass to Pablo against Milyare. Will attack. Will bump. Will lace. Off the window. Money. Talio. Pass to Ferrer. Ferrer will attack. And here's Giev. Pass to Meneses. Meneses to Pablo against Milyare. Di Discarte dito. Pass inside to Meneses. Kicks out. Open look. Gulayan. Bucket. Gulayan. And now looking for the receiver. Passes to Milyare number 51. He spins. He stopped. Bounce pass to Ferrer. Ferrer. Lace. Basket and one. Are tied at 52. Milyare. Goes to the wings. Goes to the screen. Bounce pass to Corpus. Kicks out. Mactalio will attack. Bounce pass. Wide open for 3. For the lead. One go. Rebound by Bello. Pass to Meneses. Side step ni Lusutan. Bucket for 2. And off comes third quarter action. Reverente receives the ball. He fakes. Passes to Pablo. Bounce pass to the middle. Pull up jumper. Gulayan. Bucket. And at the top. Pass to Fabro. Fabro guarded by Milyare. Pass to Meneses. To Gulayan. Floater by Bello. Bullseye. Cross pass. Is stolen by Pablo. Pass to Meneses. Meneses fires. No good. The follow-up shot. Bucket. Gulayan. Corpus against Meneses. To the middle. Milyare. Inside pass. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by Gulayan. Is stolen by Corpus. Will attack. Will lace. Easy bucket. Yan. To Reverente for 3. Short. Rebound by And a pass break, Milyare all the way, easy too. And between the legs. Pass to Reverente. Reverente pupunas ng sapatos. Pass to Fabro. Against Milyare. And pass to Gulayan, pull-up jumper. Bullseye again. Meneses against Mactalio to Fabro. Fabro to Meneses. Pass open look. Not good. Rebound Meneses. Reverente to Meneses. Inside pass. Floater. Bello. Bucket. Bello. Reverente stops at the 3-point area. Pass to Meneses. Left alone for 3. Short. Rebound by Corpus. Milyare. Pass to Mactalio. Lost the handle. And dive for the ball. And here's Mactalio will drive. And Ferrer. Easy to Ferrer. 6-point lead. 14 Boclock. Here's Meneses. He bumps the floater shot. Won't go. Corpus. High pass. Mactalio. Recover. And Mactalio will drive. The crossover. Kicks out. Open look. To the middle. Will Ferrer will attack. Will lace. Bucket. Ferrer. Pass to Milyare. Milyare. Pass to Mactalio. Mactalio against Gulayan. Goes to the screen. Mactalio will drive. High pass. Kicks out. Open look for 3. Bang! For the... Throws the mid lane. Meneses to Fabro. Fabro against Milyare. Step back. Oh! Won't go. And here's Milyare. Milyare. He stops to Mactalio. Stolen. And here's Fabro. Will attack. Will pass. Inside pass. Floater. Rejected. And the pass. Here's Ferrer. Ferrer will drive. Will lay short. And here's Giev. Kicks out. Open look Fabro. He spins. Inside pass sa Pagawan. And here's Ferrer against Bello. Lays. Easy to 3-point. Against Giev. High pass to Milyare. Will attack. Bounce pass inside. Na libre. Pau up by Pau. And here's Reverente. And Fabro the floater. 3-point lead. 14 Boclock. Air Sanchez. Lays to the ropes. Yes sir. Down to 1 point. And here's Fabro. Fabro now in hurry. Behind the back dribble. Recover. Uy. Reverente. Pass to Fabro. Fabro now against Milyare. Goes to the screen. He attacks the floater shot. Yes sir. Fabro. And the high pass. And here's Milyare. Lays bucket. That's Sanchez. Sanchez the rebound. Pass to Mactalio. Mactalio will lays. Bucket. Mactalio. 7-point lead. And here's fires at 3. Short. Rebound. Meneses. Meneses against Corpus. Pass to Gulayan for 3. Bam! 3 points. That's the end. Mactalio penetrates. Inside lays. Too strong. Rebound and a pass break. And naluna na. Gulayan picks. Dalawa yung pinagkehan. Bakit? Now at the top. Against Giev. High pass. Milyare. Against Fabro. Will attack. Fires. Yes sir. Giev. Against Mactalio. Will drive. Will kicks out. High pass to Fabro. Fabro. Behind the back dribble. Goes to the screen. Bounce pass to Meneses. Lays up. Yes sir. Meneses. And he stops. Pass to Milyare. To Mactalio. Mactalio. Goes to the screen. Corner pass. Open look for 3. Bang! Meneses. The long pass. And here's Giev. High pass to the middle. Pass off the glass. Backing. High pass. And here's Gulayan. Pass to Meneses. Pass to Fabro. Post up. Bounce pass. Open look. Left alone for 3. Bam! 3 points. Stolen. Mactalio na win hurry. Mactalio. 3 defenders. Lumusot. Oh! Pinanis yung tatlo. Mactalio. Pass to Milyare. Lost the handle. Giev. Inside pass na libre. Fake. Spins. Hook shot. Bakit? Oh! And here's Sanchez. Sanchez now in hurry. Lays. Short. Rebound Corpus, put back, short. Put back, on go. Isa pa. Oh, pinabitin na, may foul. Giev. At the top, against Mactalio. Pans to Meneses. Will drive. Corner. Pull up J. One go. Mactalio. Long pass. Milyare. Will drive. Fires. Yes, sir, for that lead. Pabro. Pass to the middle. Meneses between the legs, creating space. Step back for 3. Negate, short. Mactalio. Mactalio. Penetrates straight to the hoops. Bakit? All the way. Oh! Stolen. Here's Mactalio. High pass, Milyare. Open look. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. 6-point lead now. 14 ball clock. Will attack. Will lace. Foul. No basket. First free throw is in. 5-point lead for Bangged 1. Bucket. 288. Pass. And here's Sanchez. To the hoops. Bucket for 2. Sanchez. Give. Pass to Pabro. Pabro between the legs. Deep 3. Bang! Long pass. Here's Corpus. Pass to Milyare. To Mactalio. Against Gulayan. Goes to the screen. Between the legs. Against Pabro. To the middle. Natapikan. Stolen. Meneses. The long pass. Nauna na. Lace. Gulayan. Oh! Sayang naman. The pass is stolen. Pabro. Open look for 3. Short. Natapikan. Stolen. Open wide. Open for 3. For the leg. Bang! Tie game. Bit. Mactalio. Inbounding. Pass to Sanchez. Will spin. Tie game. 94 all. 3 minutes 22 seconds. Di distansya against Gulayan. Will attack. Kicks out. Pull up J. One go. Rebound. Meneses lost the handle. And plays too strong. Rebound Meneses. 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 Bounce pass. Will attack. Kicks out. Gulayan to Pabro. Pabro. And stops. Pass to Meneses. 6 seconds to shoot. 4-3. One go. Natapikan. Stolen. Oh! Grabe. Nakalusot. Kicks out. Open look again. Second chance. Bam! 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 Milyare. Against Giev. Willers. Oh, foul. Pass to Mactalio. And attacks. Hook pass. Open look for 3 for the tie. Rejected. And is Reverente. Meneses to Pabro. Oh, nakatayo na lahat sila. Meneses. High pass. Nakatapikan. And is Mactalio. Low corner pass. For 3. Short. Oh, tinulak. May foul. Pushing, no basket. Reverente. Slowly dribbling the ball. Looking for Pabro. Bounce pass to Pabro. Pabro posting up against Milyare. Hihahatid. Sa gitna. Kicks out. Reverente stepping back. Wild open. Umasinta pa. Short. Sayang naman. Milyare. Setting the play. Slowly dribbling the ball against Pabro. Goes to the middle to Mactalio. Against Gulayan. Goes to the screen. Stops. Pull up Jetri. One go. Rebound. And here's Bello. May foul. 45 seconds on the game clock. 3-point lead. 14 ball clock. And here's Pabro. He spins. Will drive behind the back. Inside pass. He's stolen. And he's stepping. Nakatayo lahat sila. And here's Reverente inbounding. Pass to Meneses. He spins. Will attack. Lost the handle. And 24 seconds on the game clock. And still, ball clock up by 3. Mapapa-defense dito ang Team Boclock. Gulayan. And corner pass. Oh, lost the handle. Oh! Pass back, Reverente. Will drive. Will bounce pass. Will cross pass. And binaglaruan. No. And first throw. Short. Last on the free throw. On go. Pass. And the chance. Open look for 3. Short. Oh! Oh! Talunan na sila lahat. Oh! And the... Oh! Dinaga...